Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and you all are safe in your home. Children, this is Shushmita ma'am and today I have come with a new thing which I could make you learn. And what is that? Today we are going to learn about birds, especially about flightless birds. Now children, before I start, let me show you something. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, you are right. It is a bird. And what is the bird doing? It is flying, isn't it? So when we talk about birds, the first thing which comes to our mind is birds can fly. Like this bird, it is flying. But children, there are some other birds which cannot fly. Like this one. Okay? See, this is also a bird, but it cannot fly. So what are they called? They are called flightless birds. Why children? Because they cannot fly. So today we are going to learn the names of some flightless birds. So let us start children. So the first bird which you can see over here is a penguin. A penguin lives in very cold areas and it cannot fly. So a penguin is a flightless bird. The next bird, as you can see in the picture, is an ostrich. An ostrich is a very big bird. It's very tall and it cannot fly. So an ostrich is a flightless bird. The next bird you can see over here, if you see, it is similar like the ostrich, but its color is a bit different. And what is the name of this bird? The name of this bird is Rhea. And this bird also cannot fly. So it is also a flightless bird. Now we move on to the next bird. The next bird, as you can see, is a cassowary. Okay? What is the name? Cassowary. And this is also a very big bird. And this bird is also a flightless bird. Why? Because it cannot fly. Now we move on to the next one. The next bird is a kiwi. See, it is a very small bird. But this bird is also a flightless bird because it cannot fly. So what is the name of this bird? The name of this bird is kiwi. Now we move on to another bird. See, it looks similar to a camel, isn't it? And it is so big. And do you know what is its name? Its name is elephant bird because it is huge like an elephant. And this bird also cannot fly. And it is also a flightless bird. Now the next picture children. The next picture over here, as you can see, is a dodo. What is the name? Dodo. So a dodo is also a flightless bird because it cannot fly. Now the last one. The last picture is of a bird named kakapo. Okay? If you see, it is similar like a parrot, but a parrot has red beak and it can fly. But a kakapo is a flightless bird because it cannot fly. So children, if we revise the names, let us start from the beginning. The first flightless bird is a penguin. The second flightless bird is an ostrich. Third is Rhea. Fourth is Cassowaries. Fifth is kiwi. Sixth is elephant bird. Seventh is a dodo. And the last one is a kakapo. So children, all these birds are flightless birds because they cannot fly. So children, I hope you will remember the names of the birds and you will memorize them. Thank you children.